Life is a profound journey filled with moments of joy and sorrow. Its meaning is a complex tapestry woven by our experiences, relationships, and personal pursuits.
Nabibig mo yun, nabibig si Scotty. Namili ka pa rin
While sadness can be a poignant reminder of our humanity, it often serves as a catalyst for growth and empathy, allowing us to appreciate happiness when it comes. These are threads in this intricate fabric, demonstrating our capacity to prioritize others or our dreams over personal desires. These shapes the beauty and complexity of our existence, making life's purpose a uniquely individual quest for understanding and fulfillment.